Hi, so I'm back. So this video is for all the new Trousseau Packers who wonder what exactly their toolkit should contain. So let's begin. Let me show you what my toolkit contains. So let's start. It's a must because we have to use so many tools and sometimes there's just one plug available at the place. So if you're even going to a client's place to do trousseau packing and everything, so there's a possibility they might not even have another plug point. So make sure that you have one extension cord. Another reason why you should have an extension cord is because our glue guns cords are really small. So if I even have to plug it below, there's like hardly any distance. So I use my extension cords to elongate the wire of my glue gun as well. It is the glue sticks. I ran out of glue sticks almost like at a whiffy. I'll recommend for any new Trousseau Packer to have at least 4 to 5 glue sticks in their toolkit. Always ready. Of tapes that you should definitely have. One is the double-sided foam tape. The other one is a double-sided tape. Now the double-sided tape is not as thick and it is somewhat like this. I don't know if you can see it. So somewhat like this, and it's really sticky. Masking tape is something that I use when I have to spray paint on things or when I have to place things and I want to do it on marking. So a lot of times on the wall I have to place things. So this does not leave a mark. Are the glues. Okay, Mod Podge. You really don't have to actually invest in a Mod Podge. It is quite expensive, so you could probably even use a Fevicol instead of a Mod Podge if you're not doing it professionally. But if you are doing professionally, then you need to have a Mod Podge with you for the for any type of sticking on glass or slippery stuff. A surface like a marble, acrylic, plastic. You need Mod Podge for those, but if you're not doing it professionally, you can even go for Fevicol. This is a craft glue. Again, because I do things professionally, that's why I need various type of glues in my toolkit. But you can again, use a Fevicol. So you can replace both these glues with a Fevicol. This one is a Feviquick. There's Ardilite also. Keep Ardilite or Fevicol. I generally don't use this tape in my toolkit. I use a bigger dispenser and a bigger tape. This is something that is always there in my toolkit just in case if I run out of the big dispenser or if I forget to carry it, because that goes in my other box. Why do you need brushes is because a lot of times I have to dust off, like when I'm finished with my trousseau packing, the glitter from a lot of flowers always fall off. So I need to dust it off. A lot of times I even need it for pasting things. So whenever I use Fevicol, level it out. So that's where I need the brushes. So I need these brushes for that. Then again, I have another brush. This is an old makeup brush. Instead of throwing it off because it's a very old makeup brush, I decided to use it for brushing off dust from a lot of my work, just in case there's any residue or any dust which is there, which we can't see. So the brush always takes it. I use a Sharpie. You can go on for a normal OP marker or any permanent marker. A lot of times we need to put these dots as markings. I use Sharpie because it's even great on mirror or glass, again on any shiny surface. So that's why I keep Sharpies, but it's not necessary that you have to keep Sharpie. You can keep any permanent marker in your kit machine. So I have both the double punching machine and the single punching machine. It's completely your call. You can invest in one of them. Whenever I go for my corporate trainings, I need to use both of them. They're used for different purposes. So that's why I have both in my toolkit. Compass, you can even go for a normal compass which comes in a lot of these stationery boxes. You can't just do anything without a scissor in your toolkit. Cutter, and I have the blades of the cutters with me as well. In a stapler with staple pins, and you should always keep the staple pins handy. I have these zigzag scissors. You can even go for the professional ones. These are like super cheap. I just got it because I don't really use it a lot of times, but I use it for a lot of my crafting things. So these are different zigzag scissors that I have. You get a ruler. kits that I got from one of those shops, from a thread shop. If you can't find these, just go for the threads like these. Keep one dark color and one light color. So these are the things that you should really have in your toolkit. If you want the whole list, I would love to mail it to you. Leave it to me in a comment section and I would definitely mail it to you.